what is a dividend? Well, it's distribution of some of a company's earnings to a class of its shareholders. Someone's typically eligible as long as they own the stock before the ex-dividend date. Okay, so what does that mean? So you might be surprised, but some of your favorite companies actually pay dividends. So Apple pays a dividend, and it's literally them just giving some of their earnings to their investors as an incentive for you to buy more shares. They're literally paying you just for holding their stock. Now, the more shares you have, the more dividends you get. So you can multiply this 82 cents by the number of shares you have. But a simple Google of Apple dividends will show you their schedule for their payouts, and you'll see that they usually pay out 4 times a year, so they pay a quarterly dividend. The 3 dates to pay attention to are the declaration date, the ex-div date, and the pay date. The declaration date confirms that they're paying and at what yield. The ex-div date says, hey, you need to own this share before this day to receive the dividend, and the pay date is when you receive your money.